This video answers the search, how to buy shares of Canadian Imperial Bank of Commerce, a major Canadian bank providing retail, commercial, and wealth services, listed on NASDAQ under the ticker CM. This is an educational walkthrough and not financial advice. To buy CM, you need a brokerage account. I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an ID document, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform's search bar and type the ticker CM to find the Canadian Imperial Bank of Commerce listing. Carefully select the NASDAQ listing to ensure you have the correct asset. On the asset page, review the company summary and the price chart to check recent movement and trading details. Confirm the listing matches Canadian Imperial Bank of Commerce and the CM ticker before proceeding. To place an order, click Invest. Enter the amount you want to buy, review order details and fees, then confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be queued, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. Once executed, your CM position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. Find the example eToro link in the description if you want to explore the platform.